Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brooke if you're new here. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get cute, simple, and easy hairstyles that you can do for like school or work or every day. You know, I really don't like doing hair. It is boring to me, and these make me look like I kind of put an effort. So if you want to see how I got this hairstyle and a few other ones that you can do every day that take like less than 5 minutes, then please just keep on watching. Okay, for the first hairstyle, I'm going to start off really simple, and I'm just going to do a high ponytail. And I'm going to show you how to keep it like high up on your head and voluminous. So first, just like obviously gather your hair to the top of your head. Like that. And then take a hair tie and pull it through. Don't like, you can see how I'm like doing it, like go like this and then pull it through, and your hair like won't move around and make all those little bumps, you know what I'm saying? Pull underneath, like tighten it only underneath, and it'll stand up like that. And then I like to just take a small piece of hair and wrap it around the pony so you can't see it. And then just take a small clip or a bobby pin or something and clip that in place behind. And then I just like pull at these pieces right here. And that's how you get it. It looks a lot cleaner too because you have the ponytail covered, so you could like slick this back. I don't like the slicked look on me, but like slick it back and wear it to like an event or something if you want your hair up. Look cute. Next hairstyle. For the next hairstyle, I'm going to be taking the two front sections of my hair, braiding it back, and putting it into space buns. Take like the first, I don't know, like 2 inches from each side of your hair and pull it back, and then take the rest of your hair and tie it up so it don't get in the way. First part of your hair, split it into 3 and out, just start braiding it. And obviously you know how to French braid. If you don't, I am really bad at explaining things, so sorry. I mean, if you can see what I'm doing, I'm just braiding and then taking pieces as I go and putting them with the piece that I'm like, that's going in. I don't know how to explain it. You need to look up another YouTube video to know how to French braid because I'm bad. Sorry. And then I'm just going to tie it up, but I only have these. If you have those like little, really small skinny elastics, that would make your life a whole lot easier, but I don't have those, so I'm going to work with what I got. And I'm just going to like pull it apart a little, make it bigger so it looks better in a bun. And then I'm just going to take it and wrap it around itself. And then I'm just going to clip it. There's one. Okay, and then just take the rest of your hair down once you've finished and brush it out. And that's how you do that. Isn't it so cute? look, these black elastics ruin it, but like if you have like those little ones, you won't see them, and it looks so cute. And you could also like do this and then pull your hair up instead of putting these all the way down braided. You could stop it here and tie them up and then put your hair into a pony, and it would look cute. You'd have 2 braids in like a pony. That would look super cute too. You could also leave it like that. That'd be cute. No, I'm just gonna do a half up, half down. So I'm gonna just take some of my hair and brush it back. Ignore my bumps. I know I have bumps, but this is just an example. I'm not keeping my hair like this. But yeah, and then when I do this, I like to just take a little piece again and then put it around the pony. And then clip it into place. When you wrap it around, it just makes it look like you tried a lot harder. Okay, now just split your hair into 2. I'm gonna do some boxer braids now. Tie one side of your hair up, and then just start braiding. I'm like really bad at doing these on myself. I usually have my friend do it, so don't judge me. You know, obviously if you're better at French braiding than I am, it'll look better, but... And that's it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and also leave a comment down below and tell me other videos you want to see from me, and if you like videos like this and stuff like that. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!